Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
Actually, in Anjane Dam, the Anjane also around our level is 93.2, but at present 91 meter water level is there, and we are releasing around 26 cubic of water through Anjane, and that considering the low tide and all, because we are monitoring the levels at this Sakli river and Bicholim river, and whenever these levels are monitored properly, we do the pumping, and our 24/7 pumping is also going on at Sakli and if required at Bicholim also. It is Salali, it is already in July only it has started overflowing, and it is even more than our level is 41.15. Now at present 42 meter level is there. 108% dam is overflowing now. As regards to Amtane and Panchwadi and Chapoli, the dams are overflowing, and we are continuously monitoring the levels. See, the dams are overflowing, but the waters are regulated through our canals and all. So there is no it is now we are seeing that even if the excess water comes from the dam, it is regulated through our canals, and we are seeing that and the nearby rivers. And so we are always taking revenue authorities in confidence and informing them well in advance.
अंदू वर्साचे सरासरी परस 27% मायज पावस. पोरू पावसान सरासरी उपिल्ली. ताचे परसय अंदू मायज.
Taking extreme cautions. Now from 17th onwards, once this low pressure region is weakening, from 17th onwards, rainfall activity is expected to decrease gradually. Formation. And regarding fishermen warning, the winds within 75 kilometers from the coastal lines, they are going to be up to the speed of 45 to 55 kilometers throughout these 5 days starting from today. So fishermen are requested not to venture into sea for 5 days starting from today. The total cumulative rainfall over Goa in this entire season has reached 310 centimeters as of today. That's 27% higher than the normal value. And last year in the same time it was 300 centimeters and 24% higher than normal. So this year up to now, comparing to last year, we have got 10 centimeter higher rainfall.
फोण्या प्रभुनगरात पालसण कोसळ्ळे. एका घराक धोको.
हे हांगा जे कोसळलेले आसा हे पयलीं आमच्या हांगा लोकल्सान पंचायतीक सांगलेलें ऑलरेडी की हे कोसळपाचें आसा म्हणून, पण तरी पण अशें कोणी एक्शन घेवंक ना. सगळे रावले की केन्ना कोसळटकीर मागीर एक्शन घेतलें म्हणून.
तर तेजेर काय जालें ना. आयज पळयत जाल्यार हे सिच्युएशन पळयल्यार सामको डेंजरस पोजिशन आहा. मे बी फाल्यां आनी धड कोसळ्ळो जाल्यार मे बी तुगेली आमची बिल्डींग बी कॉलेज जावं शकता, आनी जिवीत हानी जावं शकता.
झाड पडून लायटीचे खांबे हे जाले, खांबे पडले, आनी हे जे प्लॉट करता आसतना हे प्लॉट जे आसा कोणें एप्रुवल दिला, जावं पंचायत जावं टावन प्लॅनिंग हे जबाबदार आसा. कित्याक अशी जेन्ना प्लॉट करता तेन्ना प्लॉट बॉर्डर पर्यंत ते आसा ते बॉर्डर पर्यंत करपाक सेटबॅक जाय. सेटबॅक सोडून तेणी ते प्लॉट करपाक जाय, आनी ताका एप्रुवल दिवप म्हळ्यार रॉंग. आनी ताका लागून आयज हें आसा, आनी आतां जी बिल्डींग वाटलें दिसता तिवूय बिल्डींग पडूंक शकता आतां आसा ती. म्हणजे हे सगळे तरेचे मागीर बोलता ही सरकाराची जबाबदारी आसा, डिपार्टमेंटाय हे आसा आनी पंचायती हे आसा पळय, आनी जो बिल्डर आसा जावं प्लॉट डेव्हलपर आसा तो बी जबाबदार आसा.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.